What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best first aid kits. Health and safety aren't things you want to skimp out on, so having a well-stocked first aid kit in your car should be something you're willing to spend on. There are a lot of products available to choose to first aid kits, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best first aid kits products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Thrive Emergency Car Kit. Another option that includes both roadside emergency items and a first aid kit is offered by Thrive. This recommendation gives you 42 automotive emergency supplies, along with a 62-piece first aid kit that covers your basic necessities. Unlike other recommendations on our list, this product is packaged in a carrying bag constructed from sturdy nylon canvas. The rugged case measures 12 inches by 8.5 inches by 7 inches and weighs approximately 3.1 pounds, so it's not the most compact solution out there. The good news is, you can keep that stored in your trunk and the first aid kit and its items in your glove box. For automotive emergencies, you get a reflective safety vest, a pair of worker gloves, hand-driven flashlight, foldable reflective triangle, multifunction pliers, razor blade, ice scraper, bungee cords, screwdrivers with bits and sockets, electric tape, a whistle, jumper cables, 8 feet, 8 gauge, zip ties, safety hammer, and a yellow rope. Positive side of this product. Solid assortment of roadside assistance items, large carrying bag. Negative side of this product. First aid kit is fairly basic, no portable air compressor. Number 2. EVERLIT Survival First Aid Kit. If you want an almost perfect pre-made portable medical kit, this one from EVERLIT is for you. From US veteran-owned company comes a 250-piece compact medkit packed in a durable 1000 denier nylon tactical-inspired pouch. You can easily rip it away from the straps for a quick release when needed to respond to an emergency in a snap. See everything you need with the Ziploc organization secured in a thick daisy chain in its trifold design. It also has spare room left for any extra supplies you want to add. Get this portable medical kit for hunting, hiking, camping, or to keep in your car. You will have all the basics like bandages, safety pins, tweezers, scissors, antiseptic wipes, and gloves. Plus, a couple of glow sticks, an emergency thermal blanket, a CPR mask, a fire starter, a folding pocket knife, a flashlight, and a paracord bracelet with a compass and whistle. EVERLIT 250-piece Tactical Survival Kit is a crossover portable medical kit that can simultaneously adapt to regular household use, nature, and survival settings. Number 3. Swiss Safe First Aid Kit. Get 2 kits for the price of one with the Swiss Safe 2-in-1 First Aid Kit. This portable medical kit comes with a main pack containing 120 supplies, and a 32-piece pocket-sized mini kit that you can carry anywhere. Both are well thought out to ensure you can treat injuries as quickly and effectively as possible. This Swiss Safe portable medical kit has the bonus of including a sewing kit. Add that to the survival tools like bandages, a glow stick, a compass, a whistle, and an emergency blanket, and you have a versatile emergency first aid kit. Properly treat injuries with this well-thought-out kit for a very reasonable price. Swiss Safe also includes a first aid booklet to help you attend to emergencies effectively. And no worries, they also offer some of the best after-purchase customer service support, reaching out to you to double-check you're satisfied with your purchase. Number 4. urviveware First Aid Kit. An excellent personal portable medical kit, the 100-piece urviveware has all the basics. Plus, a CPR kit as well. You can tend to burns, wounds, and cuts, and provide proper resuscitation when necessary. It comes in a lightweight and highly water-resistant 600 denier polyester pouch. This portable medical kit is effortless to open with labeled compartments. It comes with a first aid handbook and information guide, so you can swiftly deal with injuries without confusion. At Surviveware, we think preparedness, we live survival, and we breathe first aid. When you are stressed and faced with an emergency, being organized will help you stay calm. That's why all our kits are organized so you can find what you need. Our kits do the thinking for you, so you can take action when time is of the essence. Positive side of this product. There's a CPR kit included. It comes with a durable and water-resistant pouch. One of the most lightweight portable medical kits out there. Clear Ziploc bags with labeled compartments for organization and ease of use. There's also a booklet to guide you. Negative side of this product. You'll need to add medications. Number 5. LIFELINE First Aid Kit. Another recommendation that is branded by AAA is this 76-piece road excursion kit. Mixing both standard first aid products with auto safety essentials, this kit includes a premium air compressor, so you can top off flat tires, or even use it when you go camping to inflate a rafter bed. You'll also get a set of 10 feet 8-gauge jumper cables, an emergency warning triangle, LED aluminum flashlight, screwdrivers, pliers, gloves, duct tape, bungee cord, emergency poncho, utility knife, whistle, cable ties, and a pair of shop cloths. The included first aid kit has 45 pieces, with your standard assortment of bandages, sting relief pads, gauze pads, and towelettes. This kit is more ideal for shoppers are searching for roadside assistance items, but want the basic necessities for first aid. Positive side of this product. Plenty of roadside assistance items including a portable air compressor and jumper cables, decently compact carrying bag. Negative side of this product. Not much focus on first aid with bare essentials. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem please comment below.